Today I woke up after 12 hours of good sleep because I can. It felt right. So after that I went straight to non-stop driving and was passing all kinds of small villages. The roads was nice, had some traffic, but it's okay, it happens. So after 5 hours of doing that, now I'm parked at this nice spot near the gas station to eat and chill for a while. Just one problem. Somehow I keep missing shops or supermarkets. That is because I don't know any brands of shops in here, so I don't look how they are look, and everything looks like some industrial objects, not shops. I don't know. I saw Lidl one time, but I passed it. It's gone. I can't bring it back anymore. So on that note, my food supply is running low and I don't know if I will make it. It's getting dangerous. I'm getting way too skinny. I'm not tired yet, but yeah, I don't know. Of course there are gas stations, but the food in there is just way too expensive. It's like out of this planet. I'm not gonna do the thing. So yeah, this might be my last report from France. Yeah, I hope I will survive, but if not, see you forever. Wish me luck, friends. Wish me luck. Well, at least I found some food for my car, and it's getting more expensive and more expensive. Ah, that hurts. This gas station has some nice statues. Even though I can't find any food, well, I'm not searching really, but the views are getting better and more exotic to my Eastern European eye. Amazing. All those mountains, all those villages, all those forests. Of course, for local people it's like just a road, man. It's just a road. Nah, it's amazing. The views are keeps me going, you know. I don't really need a food, and if I die, I die happy because the views are amazing. Yeah, so I will keep going. Only 466 kilometers left until I reach Barcelona. Getting closer. This car is just a legend, you know. Oh my god, the mountains are so steep sometimes. My car goes from 100 to 70 or to 65, and I push pedal to the metal and it goes only 65, but this legend still has it. It goes up no matter what. Amazing. Really proud of this car. It saw some nice stuff. And now I guess it will be last transmission for sure, because yeah, no food, no water. Getting thirsty. Not gonna pay €2 for a bottle of water. Fuck 'em. Fuck those shit. Please tell me that this is a regular shop, man. Please, please. please be regular shop. Nope, that is not a regular shop. It's like for builders. Shit. Okay, now I arrived to some, I don't know, shopping stuff thing. A lot of parking lots. And man, one of this has to be normal shop. Look, one of them, at least one of them. Okay, this one big red looks promising. La Galerie Can't Giant Casino? Casino? What the fuck? I will try to go there. We'll see. We will see.
One eternity later.
Okay, people, it seems I will live to see another day. Thank God. Look at that. Bought some water and bought some beans and mandarins. And this dish costed me $6.76. They live expensive here, you know. Gas expensive, food expensive, wages probably good. I need to get to Spain. Yes. Also, they are making so much money, so they go to the shop and do the live performances. Just, you know, for fun. People, strange, and spent like hour, no, like 40 minutes to find this stuff because I was walking around and thinking what to buy, and everything was so expensive. And yeah, also don't know any brands, all the brands are different, so didn't even find oats. What the hell, no oats or something? I don't know, man. Just arrived to a new spot, and this time it's on the top of a mountain somewhere. Well, it seems on top because it's very windy here. My car even moves a lot, yeah, even now. I hope it doesn't fall off a cliff or something. And yeah, tomorrow morning should be exciting because I should see some nice views if the weather gonna be good. Yeah, today made I don't know how many kilometers, but let's look how many kilometers there is in total. It's 2,778 kilometers. Around 300 kilometers left to reach Barcelona, and that will be it. So, see you tomorrow.